Thank you. Let's bring in Lebanon County District Attorney Dave Arnold, also a member of the Executive Board of the Pennsylvania District Attorneys Association. And Dave, I don't know, I guess I was thinking maybe the Juvenile Law Center was on your side, and now it sounds like maybe they're not so appreciative of what the District Attorneys Association is trying to do to maybe not completely decriminalize this activity, but certainly lessen the severity of it for minors who are involved or caught in sexting, either disseminating it and maybe even taking the picture in the first place.
Well, I think it's fair to say my colleagues at the end are a little bit different page than I am with regard to the legal aspects here. From my perspective, and I know from the perspective of probably all the DAs around the Commonwealth, anytime you disseminate a photograph, a nude photograph of a minor, it's a crime. It's child pornography, plain and simple. And I can tell you that in Lebanon County, you'll be charged with a crime for that. I didn't come here tonight to debate the merits of Representative Grove's legislation. I will say I do fully support his legislation, but it's a crime. That being said, I think where we do agree is really the need for education on this topic. I know that's why I'm here. I'm sure it's why the whole panel is here. Is really to not threaten with criminal charges, but to educate our community about this very important topic.
Well, in the definition that Allie and Rebecca put on the PowerPoint, they talked about either messages being either pictures and or text messages of a salacious content, I suppose, racy content. From your standpoint as a prosecutor, are we talking about two different animals, the verbal text messages versus the pictures?
We are. This is, from my view, a very black and white topic. If a nude photograph of a juvenile, to disseminate that is a crime. I think that's set forth very clearly by the letter of the law.
And what about if it were a verbal message of some sort of salacious content? Would there be other charges that somebody could potentially face for disseminating something like that?
That probably would depend upon the context, and I think you're looking at that scale that was placed up on the board, whether it was intended to bully or harass, or whether it was a consensual conversation. I think that would be the situation where that would determine whether or not it's a crime. But it wouldn't be a child pornography or a sexting crime.
Okay. Dave, thank you very much.